Hey guys, welcome to my first video. Today I am going to be fishing this lake with monster bass.
Look at that. Fishing a chatterbait with a trailer. Every time I walk, it like moves down. So it's like kind of like magic. So I gotta like hold it. Flies right there. Got some weeds coming. Yeah. Yeah. Was it a bass? What did it look like? What did it look like? Sure he was.
James
So
is
he's
saying
probably
he caught a bass
bass?
around to and a half pounds, but he got scared and put it back in the water immediately.
Might have to throw a wacky one more now. Not getting any bites. Oh my goodness. There's a freaking... He's got it. He's got it. Pretty decent size. Oh my goodness, that's pretty good. Oh my gosh, he's taking drag. No, he's going in there. Oh my goodness. It's about a 2-pounder. Oh my gosh, he just got water all over me. Holy freaking moly. Oh, holy. It's about a 2-pounder. Dude, he looks so much bigger in real life than he does on the camera. I gotta go get him on the scale real quick. Okay, let's see how much he weighs. 2 pounds, 12 ounces. That's honestly a pretty good size. He was freaking fighting, bro. Like he wanted that. Just for fun, I'm just gonna try this bluegill swim bait. Just because I haven't used it yet since I bought it. So, gotta cut off the whopper flopper. But it was only like, holy, look at that action, holy. So basically all I have to do is just a straight retrieve. And then I pretty much got it. I got a tip, I'll just cast it. Oh my goodness, not right there. Dude, the freaking action is really good. I've never this is my first time using like a kind of like a glide bait slash swim bait, because it's kind of gliding like it's got action like a glide bait, but it was like $6. It was like super freaking cheap, which is good. But that made me like think if it like why it was so cheap, because it might not be a good action, but it has decent action. Like it's freaking good action. I'm gonna go over here to where bluegill usually sit. Oh shoot, James just caught a fish. Oh, never mind, that's a shoe.
In the water.
Yeah, no, I saw you pick it up. I was like, oh shoot, James caught a fish. But then I looked like closer and it's just shoe. Oh my goodness, bro, you freaking had that. Dude, the freaking action on this is crazy, bro. James, look at the action on this. Now I am. Right now, I'm using a red. Oh my! I almost just fell in. Goodness. I'm using a red lipless crankbait. This is James. He's eating his little snack. Okay, but
Do you care about my TikTok
I also didn't realize
Yeah.
I was filming in 1.0
gonna
instead
put
of
that sound like-
0.5.